All right, fifth graders, welcome to your data pathway. Now, you might have looked and seen that this has to do with mode. You might be wondering, what does this map have to do with mode? But I wanted to start off by just talking real quick about data, because really this whole pathway is all about data and how we organize data, how we can come up with some ways to summarize the data. So just keep in mind that, like, oh, look, there's numbers here. If we see, okay, we got like this many in the United States. This map is showing COVID cases in May of this year. So you can see the different numbers of cases in different countries. So we could organize that data. We could make a graph. Notice they've put it into a sort of this map way of organizing it. We could find the mean or the median, which we'll talk about. So there's different ways to organize it. Because data is really just a collection of information, okay, that we gather, observation, questioning, or measurement. So a data set is a collection of numbers or values. So we'll be looking at a lot of data sets, a lot of collections of numbers. So here we can see, okay, some different prices. That's data. Here we can see some different amounts of ingredients in a serving. That's data. Here we can see like the percents that like different flavors. Or the percents that like different desserts. So all different types of data where they've asked people questions and gathered information about them. All right. Today, though, we're talking about mode. Now, mode, if we look at a data set, is the number that appears the most. So, if I have 17, 22, 30, 18, and 17, that's my data set. Which number appears the most number of times? 17 appears twice, so 17 is my mode. Okay? It's not 30, which is the biggest number. It's the number that shows up the most number of times. Let's look at another example. If I have 115, 32, 48, 11, 112, 67, what is my mode? Well, in this case, there is no mode because all of them just show up one time. If they all just show up one time, we say there's no mode. Not that the mode is 0, because there's no 0 in my data set, but that there is no mode or none. Two ways to say it. Say I had a data set like this. 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 3. Okay, what is the mode? Oh, my pen is having issues today. Sorry about that. Well, I can see, okay, there's 2 2s, there's 2 3s, and 2 5s. So my mode is actually 2, 3, and 5. We can have more than one mode. That's okay. Let's take a look at your worksheet that you'll be doing. Notice the example they give us. Okay. They tell us, okay, there's 2 33s, but there's 3 34s. So the mode is 34 because it shows up the most number of times. Even though another number shows up a couple of times. Oh, there's actually another 34. I missed it. So there's actually 4 34s and only 2 33s. So that makes the mode 34 because it shows up the most number of times. Okay? All you have to do is just find the mode for these problems here. So just look for the number that shows up the most number of times. And if there's no mode, because they're all just there once, you can write none or no mode. All right, good luck.